Hi, my name is Graham Rashar. I'm the Chief Remote Pilot of RPAS Training and Solutions. The course takes 5 days to complete. We come in every morning. We start off with the flying and then we conduct classroom activities. During the week that we present the course, we cover 9 different modules. It ranges from aerodynamics, we have meteorology, we have navigation, teach a lot about the law, and we also concentrate at the end of the week. Everything is culminated into a job safety assessment. So we do a risk assessment and we also do the job safety assessment afterwards. Every day we do some flying. We'll go out to the training field, and on that field we set out some cones. We go through a set number of patterns that we follow, and we teach the person the basics of drone flying, how to do a proper turn, how to do a climbing turn, how to do all the different things that is required in the actual field when he leaves there. Once they have received all the training and they've passed the flight assessment, which normally takes place on the Friday, we then forward all that information through to CASA. CASA is a Civil Aviation Safety Authority. They're in charge of all the aviation activities in Australia, and they then issue the actual certificate to the person. Many people get a gift of a drone for their birthday or for Christmas. What they need to do is to know the basics. Come along to RPAS Training and Solutions. Doesn't matter where you are in the country, there is training available for you at short notice. Look at our website, and on the website you can see where the training venues are. If your area doesn't have it and there's 1 or 2 of you there, let us know and we can accommodate you as much as possible.